So we've got ourselves a triangle, and we want to figure out this area of this triangle. So let's see. We got ourselves a triangle. Nope, shapes and triangle. It looks something like this. And what do we want to find? This is 24, 10, and 26. Okay. So 24, give me a brush. 24, 10, and 26 inches, right? Now, how do I find the area of this triangle? And the area is if like if I wanted to paint this thing. Let's do a fill. Why can't I do a fill? There we go, fill. If I wanted to paint that thing, how much paint would I need that to cover up that area? Say that this were a sail for a sailboat or something like that. It'd be a small sailboat with 24 inches tall. But anyway, how would you do that? Okay, Dawson is saying add all the sides. That is not the area. That would be what we call the perimeter. Sorry, I don't mean to write so sloppy. Let me just concentrate on what I'm doing here. I'm looking for the area. All right, Marin is saying multiply both sides. That would not work as well, but I think I know where you're going with this, Marin. Let me try something. This is a square, or a rectangle, actually. Everyone agree with that? Okay, and say that this rectangle has the length 24 and 10. Don't worry about the 26 because that would be this line right here. And that's not very helpful to us. Now, I think we all know how to find the area of a rectangle. How would you do that? All right, Keeley is throwing out length times width for the area of rectangle. And I totally agree with you, Keeley. It's length times width. Now, would it be all right with you, Keeley, if I threw out the idea that instead of length times width, I'm going to call this B times H? And let me make those little b times little h. B times h. And what do you think that those would stand for? Not length times width, but base times 8. Nope, base times height. Typo. Okay, I totally agree with you. This would be the base times height. And the reason why I have it base times height is because I've got kind of more vertical deal going on here. So I'm just going to say, okay, this is the base times the height. Now, that's fine and dandy, Mr. Dalday, but I wasn't asking for the area of this thing. I was asking for the area of this thing. Yes, that's true. But you tell me, how is the area of this rectangle related to the area of this triangle? Ah, Dawson, you're throwing out some good ideas here. You cut it in half. Exactly. So the area of a triangle is half, 1/2 base times height. Write that equation down, box it, put it on an index card, and put it on your wall. Say it to yourself every day. Area of a triangle equals 1/2 base times height. I don't know why I'm writing so sloppy today. Is everyone cool with that? So the area of this triangle would be 24 times 10, which is 240, divided by 2, which is 120. Very good job.